Yeah, hello. You again. Yeah, I still traveling. My destination, I don't know. I never know where I'm going or why I'm going. Yeah, it's random trip. Maybe I want just to share my thoughts. Yeah, my thoughts. Sometimes I ask myself, I have met many people from different countries with different religion. I have met atheists, Buddhists, Jewish, Christian, Muslim, Hindu. Yeah, I travel a lot. What is my job? Wow, I'm traveler. Just saving lives everywhere and any time. When I saw that people are screaming, we are there. If they are really honest and they want to change their lives for the best and better, having a better life. Yeah, we fight with them and we help them. And after that, we start moving for another place. Are we angels? No, not at all, because we talk. I never see an angel talking. Did you? Anyway, I said I had met before people from different countries, different continents, with different ideology. But the most important thing that catch my mind is that we share, all of us, the same goal, the same purpose. Mm. Do you know what? Life. Yes, life. Plants, trees, water, fish, birds, human, yeah, life. I started reading in Quran, Bible, and all the holy books, and start talking with the atheist Hindu. They are all saying we should protect life. How? Hmm. Jesus said, Prophet Muhammad said, Moses, Noah, Eve, and Adam, all of them, their mission was Do you or are you ready to accept the challenge? What was the challenge? Are you able to protect life? They said that all the other creatures was afraid because it wasn't an easy mission. But they said in different holy books that Adam accepted because he didn't know how difficult was this mission, and he accepted. And they accepted. And others, they explain that in different way, but all of them, they say, we should protect life from war, the war, poverty, racism, and. And also, you will find many poems, many verses, many books, many writers saying, smile, smile when you see someone that you don't know, because you are giving him or her life. When you touch someone and you say, don't give up, just keep going, you are giving him life. When you help someone poor or in need and say, take this or take that, doesn't matter if it is just food, money, clothes, but you are giving him life. Yeah. I think this is our challenge in this life. Doesn't matter if you are a believer or not, but we share the same goal, the same purpose, life. And those who believe, and they are believers, if you can't protect life in this earth, it's a short mission and a short exam. Do you think that you will be rewarded with the eternal life that we call paradise? And also, if you aren't a believer, do you think that you have the right to destroy the paradise and the life to the next generations? Because if we will say game over and we destroy life in this earth where we can find animals, human, plants, water, mountain, stone, everything, we will say game over. For that reason, those who are very smart, they are fighting and saying, be careful. Our earth is fragile. Maybe they don't know, or they aren't a believer, but they know maybe this is our challenge. A challenge for the believer or not to protect life, to be rewarded after with paradise, or also if you aren't a believer, to feel the satisfaction that you have done something really, really important for all humanity, for all creatures in this life. Do you think that all what we are doing, fighting, using people, creating this racism, this segregation, deserve to be rewarded if you are a believer? Eternal life, paradise? No. Doesn't matter if you are Jewish, Muslim, Christian, Buddhist, or I respect ants, bees, plants, flowers, water, trees, human, everyone. I smile and I use it because I know when I smile and I respect everything around me, I will hear a new music like flower, plants, insects talking to me and saying, finally, someone knew what is the real mission, your real mission in this life. And they discover this one in the different holy book. For example, Noah, when God asked him to start building the boats, a big one, and he asked him to save all animals, plants and things. Why he did that? And he is God, so he could create other creature for Noah. But no, he asked him to save them. Ask yourself, why? Because this is our mission. Don't abuse and respect them. Live in symbiosis and feel the symphony of life. If you will feel it, you will hear a new music. You will be able to talk. To all creatures around you. You will feel the pain of any animal, plants, trees, water, seas, fish, insects, and they will respect you because you respect them. Easy mission and wonderful mission, but with a human, stubborn and with a stone mind. The truth is in front of you. You can touch it, you can feel it, but you refuse. For that reason, you are losing your direction. It's your real mission. Okay, I should go. That was my thought. because I want to share it with you in my shorter trip. And not to feel alone, but I'm alone, yeah. Okay, take care. Nighty night. See ya. Goodbye. Bye bye, everyone.